Hey everyone, Victoria from Credit Fix Solutions, and today I'd like to present a great success story for client ID 6897. Now, this particular client couldn't move forward with their finance application with their broker because of an energy default for just under $2,000. Now, we took this client on board because he disputed the account with the energy provider to begin with, and nothing had ever been done about it. So we knew that we had grounds there. So we took the case to the credit provider and we managed to get the default removed and cleared off his Equifax report and his Illion report in 17 days. So he came on board on the 1st of November. On the 17th of November, we emailed him both credit reports. And that's important with credit repair. All credit reports affected should be fixed. It could be that you have a default on the Equifax report that's also on your Illion report. And really, really important to make sure that all files are cleared, because as we're aware, banks and lenders can choose to check one credit reporting agency or all three. So Equifax, Illion and Experian. If you get stuck with your credit reports or you need some help for your clients, please reach out, send the team an email, and we look forward to helping. Thanks for listening.